You know what I'm saying? You ask me, I'm there. It's not that. And then all of a sudden, like I say, I'm in my phone. You know what I'm saying? It's T-Mobile. You know I'm upgrading. And then, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, you want no Obama? I ain't knocking on Obama. You know what I'm saying? You get him out the free phones. But to throw some snow on me, really, it's going down. Trust. You know what I'm saying? Get my gloves, trust, and believe.
Man, fuck that, sis. You doing too much talking. We out this bitch.
20 girls. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even disguising my face. I want you to see my face because I want you to come back tomorrow. And then you know who it is. Well, it is what it is. You ready? You know what I'm saying? I'm ready. I'm ready.
You ready? Get these nails.
Goddamn polish. Goddamn polish. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Goddamn. Right here.
Let's go down. Marcel, go down.
Give me some.
Hello,
Man, you gotta go.
Let's go party off.
I know.
Okay, come on.
Tomorrow I'm not gonna be here. No.
I know. Go downstairs. Hurry up. Marianne, help her shake her hair off. Go downstairs at the bottom of the stairs. Bottom of the stairs so we can close it up. Hurry up.